the light adjusts itself. Down at Ace Wraps right now, Keenan's currently taking, no, you're doing something with your wing, ain't you? He's getting, what are you doing?
Getting a wrap carbon.
Getting some carbon on the wings, on both of the wings. We're going to do that, probably film a little bit of that, but then the main thing, which is probably the title of this video, we're going to be putting a brand new carbon splitter on the BMW 335i. Was going to go to the place that I actually bought it from to get it installed, but what was really annoying, which I really didn't rate from these people, I'm not going to throw them under the bus here, 250 quid on this thing here, but it didn't even come with any like installation hardware whatsoever. So they literally just give you a carbon splitter and they're like,
there you go, try and fit it.
This ain't no 3M double-sided tape thing, this is like nuts and bolts and potentially even like a glue or some sort of a sealant. Yeah, not too sure how to do it, but yeah, stick along, watch the install, and hopefully you'll learn something, and yeah, we'll do it before and after, see what it looks like. Don't know what's next, guys. I don't know what's next really carbon-wise. Maybe some side skirt extensions. I'll tell you what, if you know anywhere where I can get some carbon fiber side skirt extensions that look good on an E93 or an E92, drop me a link down below, or just write a comment of where I can buy them. This is like the equivalent of TJ Hunt for the boys. Are you seeing TJ Hunts for the boys Monster Energy little segments?
Yeah, it's NOS, isn't it?
Yeah, he's NOS now, yeah, but Monster, hook me up. For the boys, for the boys. Okay, well, while we're basically going to be waiting to get onto the ramp to do this, we've decided to put 15mm spacers onto the rear of the car. I'll tell you what, that looks so much better. It's not just quite that. I could have probably snuck like 20mm. What do you reckon, Keen?
It's loads better.
Loads better, isn't it?
It's really annoying because that makes the front look way worse.
Obviously with this one. Nah, that's fine. I need to make use of you though.
Make use of me?
Make sure if you've made that foot over there.
God. Wow, thanks.
Gonna get on a ramp and we're gonna kind of just do a little test fit, just get an idea of what we need to do, what I need to get ready for fitting it tomorrow. We were thinking best thing to do is probably actually remove the front bumper completely, because while you do it on the car it is awkward and it's not going to be the best. We're going to just spend some extra time and just literally just remove the bumper. And after many
nuts and bolts,
well, yeah, sensors and everything. Here we go. Hey, look, it's the look at the little radar window. Look, nice.
That I can't f around with.
No. The thing is, to fit the intercooler, this all needs chopping out. You chop up there, you chop this, you chop like that.
Why are you chopping it? To get rid of it or to get it in?
You need to get it out. You need to get it out to get this intercooler in.
And this has to stay where it is.
So I don't know what I'm going to do with that then. We have to think of a way around it, make a custom mount or something. Because this intercooler is fat.
You'll need it recalibrated when it's done. And like I said, dealership, I went to see his brother's massive Audi, it's 500 quid plus the VAT, I already put out ass Audi. So I'll go to the windscreen place across the road, and they charge about 180 plus the VAT.
Right.
I'll charge it out at 250.
The next massive hurdle in the saga of this.
Radar.
Yeah, because the radar is literally mounted to the section that we need to cut out to fit the intercooler. So that's the next massive issue that we've got. I guess we're just gonna have to leave it as it is and plan for that when it comes to it. But obviously that's the next part of stage 2. That's the thing is, that's the next part of going stage 2 plus before the map. I need the intercooler.
Yeah, we don't do that just yet.
So this is attached to this bottom bit here.
If you want to cut that out now, cut it out now. It's up to you. Cut out most of you want to cut out while it's off. It makes a difference. You've got the ramp there.
I'm literally on my phone right now because I've run out of battery on my camera. We've literally just test fitted it. This is it on the car. See a nice little air holes. That looks really, really good. So what we actually did here, let's bring it around on the inside. We've actually put a long, what bolt do you call it? Coach bolt. A coach bolt has gone down like from the bottom all the way up, and then we've put a washer with 2 bolts and we've tightened them down together to lock them in place. We've got 5 along this. Yeah, that's it. That's how it fits. Yeah, man.